Hello and welcome to Travelling Everard. It's just a quick sort of channel update, as I had promised you all some videos coming up from Morocco and Montenegro. Unfortunately, on a recent visit to London with work, I took my GoPro with me with the intention of filming and I'd had a few beers, I have to admit, but I left my bag on the train. I then made inquiries with the train company, Greater East Anglian, and King's Cross Railway Station. But unfortunately, a bag was never found, so I've lost all my footage from my GoPro, which was a GoPro Hero 8. I've been saving up and I've just got myself a GoPro Hero 12, so I'm trying it out with this video here. I have filmed a couple of other videos with this, so I'll upload those in the next couple of days, but I just wanted to let everyone know that unfortunately all my footage from Morocco and Montenegro is no longer, which is a shame because I've got some really good stuff out there, but I'm not going to let that put me off. Over the next 6 months to a year, got some good trips planned, so plenty of footage coming up. Remember, I really appreciate your support, so if you could continue supporting the channel, it would be great. Thank you.